Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Chevrolet Silverado 2007 to 2013? Wondering which fuse controls what in your truck? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in a 2007 Chevrolet Silverado distributes power and protects electrical circuits for interior components like lights, radio, and power windows. The passenger compartment fuse box in a 2008 to 2013 Chevrolet Silverado manages and protects electrical circuits for interior features like lights, infotainment, power accessories, and climate controls. The center instrument panel relay box in a 2007 Chevrolet Silverado houses relays that control functions like the rear window, defogger, and other auxiliary systems. The center instrument panel relay box in a 2008 to 2013 Chevrolet Silverado controls relays for systems such as interior lights, rear defogger, and other cabin-related electrical functions. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in a 2007 Chevrolet Silverado protects and distributes power to major engine and chassis systems like the ignition, fuel pump, and cooling fans. The engine compartment fuse box in a 2008 to 2013 Chevrolet Silverado distributes power and protects circuits for engine, transmission, lighting, and other critical vehicle systems. The auxiliary electric cooling fan fuse block in a 2007 Chevrolet Silverado protects and controls the circuit for the electric cooling fan to help regulate engine temperature.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, Micro 3 fuse. J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse. A GC fuse. SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse. Bosch fuse. DIN fuse. PAL fuse. Low profile fuse. A Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse. Mega fuse. High amperage. Link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.